Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to tell you a story. This is not a fairy tale, not a legend, but story about life, about farewell, hope, and the courage to continue when everything feels impossible. Let me take you back to small town where dreams often feel too big for the place they are born in. When I was too child, I believed that dreams were simple. I thought if you worked hard, everything would turn out fine. But life, as we grow older, teaches us something different. I grew up in modest family. My parents worked hard every day just to make sure we had food on the table. They never complained even when they were tired. From them, I learned the meaning of responsibility. However, as a teenager, I began to dream of something more. I dreamed of going to college, of becoming someone who could make my parents from, and of changing my life. But dream was was easy. Reality was not. When I finished high school, faced my first big firewall. I applied to my dream university and I was rejected. I still remember that day clearly. I started at my phone for a long time, hoping the message would change. My heart felt heavy, and for the first time, I questioned myself. Am I good enough? This is dream reality. My reality mean for me. That night, con that night, I cried quietly, so far my parents would hear me. Life did not stop. Uh, I'm enrolled in another university, not my first choice. At first, I felt ashamed. I compared myself to my friend who went to Palmos campus. I felt left behind during my first semester. Everything felt wrong. The lessons were difficult. Struggled to understand the materials. I failed some exam. My confidence slowly disappeared. There were days when I sat alone in my room, staring at the ceiling, asking myself, why I'm here? What is the point of all this? I even thought about quitting one evening, called my mother. I told her everything, my fear, my disappointment, my exhaustion. She listening quietly, and then she said something that changed my life. She said, success don't come from the flash you start, but from the courage to continue. Those words stayed in my mind. That night, I made a decision. If I could be the best student, I would be the most persistent one. I began to change my habit. I study longer. I ask questions even when felt embarrassed. said, read a book outside the class material. I failed again, but this time, don't stop slowly. Things started to change. My grades improved. My confidence returned. I learned that progress is not always fast, but it is always meaningful. In my second year, I joined an organization on campus. At first, I was scared. I was good at speaking in public. I was confident, but I remember myself of my promise to continue. Through that organization, I learned leadership, teamwork, and responsibility. My mistake, I was criticized, but also grew stranger. For the first time, I felt that I belonged somewhere. Then come another change, financial problems. My parents struggled to support my education. I know were tired, but they never sighed. So I decided to work part time. Balancing work and study was not easy. Where there were days when I was exhausted, day when I wanted to give up again, but every time I felt weak, I remembered why I start. I remembered my parents, uh, sac- sa- sacrifices. I remember my younger self were courage to dream on one day something unexpected happened. I was chosen to represent my campus in an academic competition. At first, I thought it was mistake me representing the campus, but I once that moment made me realize something important. I was no longer the person who almost give up, standing on that stage and did my win first place. But I want something more valuable, believe in myself. I realized that failure did not even me give up. World hype today when I look back, I'm grateful for every rejection, every failure, and every tear because without them, would be here. This story is not about being perfect. It is about being brave enough to continue when life tells you to stop. So, if you are sitting here today feeling lost, tired, or disappointed, remember this. You don't have to be smart. You don't have to be the best. You just have to keep going. Because sometimes the road you almost give up on is the one that leads to exactly where you are meant to be. Thank you.